Jim Anderton.
Mr Speaker, my question is to the Minister for Canterbury Earthquake Recovery. Does he stand by his comment in the House yesterday that, quote, there is a period in which insurance companies will not provide cover, end quote, and if so, what will the government do to assist people who have already signed purchase contracts and are seeking insurance cover?
The Honourable Maurice Williamson.
Mr Speaker, yes, and I'm advised that the same issue arose after the September 4 earthquake. Following that event, a range of quite creative and innovative legal solutions were provided by the legal fraternity, and it was made it possible for these contracts to be entered into and function. I would therefore advise people to consult with their lawyer to see if those same mechanisms can be employed in the interregnum of this earthquake.
The Honourable Jim Anderton.
Mr Speaker, I'm well aware of the process after the first earthquake, but can I say to the Minister that this time...
The member should be asking a question.
Well, therefore, does the Minister understand that the insurance risk for Christchurch homeowners is currently much greater than normal? And if so, what does the government plan to do to help owners desperate to have insurance cover for the most valuable asset they own?
The Honourable Maurice Williamson.
Mr Speaker, I repeat again, I am told that the legal fraternity found a number of quite innovative and creative ways, and that is the new owner may actually just rent the property for some time, the old owner keep the title, the insurance that was on the property therefore carry on, and then only get the change of ownership on a date once insurance can be. But, sir, can I point to the member to the Christchurch Press today, in which the largest insurance company in the area have said that they will continue to insure a house if it's currently insured with them, even if the new purchaser is not a customer of theirs, both previously and so on. And I would hope that other insurance companies follow that lead and do the same.
The Honourable Jim Anderton.
Mr Speaker, whatever the Minister may hope, what would he say to a constituent of mine who sought to rehouse her parents after their home was destroyed in the earthquake by buying an undamaged property in an area that sustained no damage, and now finds, after the purchase price was agreed and cash placed in the solicitor's trust account, that she cannot get insurance cover to enable the deal to proceed despite approaching the company which provides the cover to the current owners?
The Honourable Maurice Williamson.
Well, Mr Speaker, I can't obviously comment on a specific case because there's always elements to it. I'm told that you cannot proceed with the purchase if there's a mortgage involved because the banks will insist that insurance cover occurs, so therefore there will be an out in that case. If this property was bought for cash, as the member might have indicated, I'm not sure, then that may not have been the case. But, sir, in the end, I am told, and the Canterbury Law Society has been doing some work on this, and the creation of some quite innovative little techniques that will allow people to keep that property covered until the insurance industry re-enters the market, which wasn't very long after the September 4 earthquake. I grant him that it may be a little bit longer because of the magnitude of this one.
The Honourable Jim Anderton.
Whatever the insurance industry and the legal profession might be doing over a period of time, the stresses and strains, the Minister aware, the stresses and strains of people who are owning homes that are uninsured, and in that event, will the government help to underwrite the risk to completely innocent homeowners of having an uninsured home while it negotiates with the insurance industry to restore full insurance cover?
The Honourable Maurice Williamson.
Mr Speaker, as I said earlier, I'm not sure it will be that widespread if the largest insurer says they will make sure their coverage carries on to a change of owner. I'm sure the others will follow because the market will not allow one to take such a beneficial rate. But, sir, in the end, as I said, I am told that these creative mechanisms that the lawyers used in nearly every case resolved the problem. So for that reason alone, no, the government, I don't think, will be getting involved in the insurance market.
Question number 9, Jackie Dean.